first meal. We have here some cheese gyudon.
After our late lunch, I forgot to vlog, but we went around Shimending and went to Donkey also.
Good morning. Today is our day 2. Say hi to my vlog. Here's our first stop, Chiang Kai-shek. Ang weird lang din ng weather kasi bigla siyang umaambon and then magsa-stop, then ambon ulit. So, yeah. So we're gonna eat here at Frying Chicken Leg. I don't know kung anong name niya. But, ayan siya. And, here's the menu. We're having a pork something and chicken. So we're going inside net. We're gonna check clothes. We're going inside. Sana may mabili tayo. For shopping. So hey guys, we're done na sa net. And the damage has been done. And right now we're on our way to Carrefour. It's just the 4 of us. The girlies. So we're done with Carrefour. And later, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna have our dinner. We're just walking, going back to our hotel. Hala, vibe lang. Dapat na shoes? Ay, guys, suot ko na pala yung shoes. Binili ko sa net. Sarap, di ba? And we're back in the hotel. And I'm gonna give you some net care, curry-free. I'm gonna give you feedback. What I got sa net, ABC Mart, and Carrefour. This is the first one I got. And I use it already. Super lambot niya. Last from net. Dalawa pala yung nabili ko kasi babalik pa naman kami doon sa mga bet namin. I got a leather jacket. It's freaking cute! It's a vibe. So that's all from net. And these are the things I got from Carrefour. I got 2 socks. And I got this snack and this Ovaltine I want to try. And lastly, I got makeup wipes for tonight. The one I'm excited about! So I got here a freaking Air Force. Kasi ang una kong plano is Puma, Speedcat. Pero parang hindi siya bagay sa paa ko, parang hindi ko siya bet. So, I got here the basic one, Air Force one. Okay. Good morning. Today is our day 3 and we're on our way to eat our lunch at BHC. So, sakay kami ng train. We're gonna get this black pork sausage. Okay, taste test, y'all. Ano yung balisa?
Sarap ulamin.
So, this is what we're gonna eat.
Shaolong bao na walang sabaw. Wala talaga? Wala nga. Sa sungit ni Kuyang yun. Ay, meron! Inet? Gusto ko.
Sarap?
Butas ako muna yung sa akin. Sarap. Kahit masungit si Kuya, masarap. This one chocolate.
Diba? It's giving croissant. It's giving... So we're gonna try this.
Bonito pizza. Taiwanese pizza. Ben? Sarap kaya.
So we got here some pan-fried prawns from this.
Nasa siya ng shaolong babay. Sarap. Gusto ko yung crispy dito sa ilalim. Sarap para sa
Mini pancakes. We got some chocolate and cream cheese. First, take one. How was it? Don't like it? Oh, eh. Okay. Everyday na lang talaga nagaganto ang mga person. Margo, oh my gosh! So, we're done with the night market. Right now, katabi niya lang yung Rainbow Bridge. And we're going there! Super dami ng food, guys. And so far, yung mga natikman naman natin, masarap, no?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. I-rate natin yung overall experience. 10 over 10.
10 over 10, but the walking,
Is 0.
0 over 10.
So time check, it's 12:28 and we're outside. We're having our midnight snack with the bear. With the bear. Good morning. Today is our day 4 and we're going to Japan, I think. Let's find this. It's 7 in the morning and we're having milk tea. Oh my gosh, guys.
Sarap.
Masarap. Pinabaan natin yung ano natin.
Expectations.
Parang gusto ko masarap siya.
Bukas ng morning.
So, yung...
Cheongsang. Next stop, Songshan.
So, up
Upon arriving Rufang Station, we waited for our 11:40 a.m. bus going to Jufen. But unfortunately, there were a lot of people and di kami nakasakay agad. Pagdating namin ng Jufen, kumain lang kami and then wala kami masyado nagawa since super lakas ng ulan. We decided na bumalik na lang ng Ximending and we ate McDonald's and we tried a huge chicken.
Hey guys! Today is our last day and it's our last full day also. Right now we're on our way to Maokong, Gondola. Alam ko anong gagawin namin. Wala akong kaalaman.
Our last day in Taiwan, and the weather had other plans. We missed a lot, changed a lot, and let go of a lot, but we didn't stop. They say sometimes the little things that go wrong, like burnt toast, are actually saving you, redirecting you to moments you were meant to have. And maybe that's what this trip was. Not perfect, not planned, but exactly how it needed to be. Because when you're with the right people, even the unexpected becomes something special. This trip may not have been perfect, but it gave me memories I wouldn't trade for anything.
It's our last day and we're going home. Wala akong vlog.